Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, I've been away, but I'm back and I'm in an R53 Mini Cooper S. My new little project. It's summertime now, sun's out, I'm in lockdown, bored as hell, so I decided to buy myself a new little project. And here we have it, my Mini Cooper S. 2005, 78,000 miles on the clock. Yeah. So what I've done, close this door. I've gone ahead and spent about £1,500 on performance parts and modifications. Bought everything online last night and it should all be coming in the next few weeks. So what I'm going to be doing is doing install videos, tutorials, sound clips, comparisons, everything like that. I'm going to be recording it all with everything I've bought basically. So yeah, so I've bought a full exhaust system and probably get some hate from it, but I've gone ahead and bought the Hornet full race exhaust system. I know it's going to be super loud, but it should be alright. It'll be fun. I've gone ahead and bought a full induction kit by Ramair with the whole heat shield and pipes and everything, so that should be good. And then I've bought the Airtec intercooler, the scoop intercooler, so that's cost me about 400 quid, so that sent me back a bit. That's one of the biggest buys. That should be nice. I've also bought a 15% reduced supercharger pulley kit and spark plugs, so that should increase the horsepower a lot. So that coupled with the Airtec intercooler should make a lot of difference. I've also purchased some bits and bobs for styling, blacking it all out, taking off all the chrome, and then I'm just going to get some black wheels and we'll be done really. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to take it for a little drive just to let you know how it sounds. This is all stock, completely standard. It's not been messed around or tampered with. So yeah, so it's pretty quiet, really nice to drive. Nothing too, in your face. Easy really at the moment. So this is what it's like now, but give it a week or so, it's going to be a whole different story. Let's do it.